The midterm election is just weeks away, and there are just a few ways to make sure your vote counts this November.
Millions of San Diego ballots arrived in the mail last week, and the San Diego Registrar is encouraging voters to take advantage of voting from home. Ballots can be sent through the mail or be dropped off at one of the 141 standalone ballot boxes. These new drop-off boxes were introduced this year, and they're designed to keep ballots secure by preventing physical damage and unauthorized access.
It also has security mechanisms to prevent tampering, to protect the contents of that box.
Some vote centers are accepting ballots as early as October 29th. There'll be one near City College campus at the P building next to Harry West Gym. And you don't even need the internet to find the nearest vote center or Dropbox location. All you need to do is go to your booklet and go to the back where it lists all the locations. But before you return your ballot, make sure it's in the return envelope. And don't forget to sign it with your name and date. If you plan on voting in person, head on over to one of the polling centers between the hours of 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. You can fill out your ballot here up to 10 days prior to Election Day. For more information about this upcoming election, visit vote.ca.gov.
For CTTV, I'm Jillian Fortner.